With Zift, you no longer have to worry about the most popular apps on your child's devices or whether they're age appropriate. Zift has developed a parent portal with essential insights on apps and other technology that as parents, we all should know. If you're not sure what an app does or whether it's safe, you can access videos, descriptions, ratings, and other useful data that describes what the app does, how kids use it, recommended age level, what to watch out for. For example, many kids are on Whisper, but many parents aren't sure about its features or how it's being used. So simply go to your parent portal and search for Whisper. This parent portal will be constantly updated to include new and trending apps, as well as categories of apps you should know and understand.